Hi everyone, welcome to Lady Life on the Pond. So I'm going to show you not how to do it, but how my brother and I made a temporary ramp for my husband who is battling Alzheimer's, and he's to the point where he can't really get out of bed without assistance, and he definitely can't walk down steps. And so we've got the wheelchair ramp that we built with OSB. We know that that's not a long-lasting product, but we don't anticipate this being here more than about 2 or 3 years. So thank you for hanging out with me, with us, and I hope you enjoy the video. We are your get right to the project girl. Thank you so much. I hope you find something you like and you hit like and subscribe. Brother is cutting our supports, 2x4 supports for the ramp. Still have to put our 4x4 post up there, right here, and that'll definitely shore it up. See Bandit up on the porch? Bandit. Come on, the grass is too wet this morning. Let's go back this way. Come on, baby. Hey crew, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hit like and subscribe. Like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated. And of course, it helps the channel tremendously when you subscribe. And when you like and when you comment. I love to read your comments. Thanks. Have a good one. See you on the next one. Here's Bandit all stretched out after supervising all day. And he is exhausted. And here comes little Naz into the screen. She's supervisor too. She's the lead person. Or she's the lead girl. They are very tired. Thanks again for watching.